Hey guys, today we're diving into the world of Fiverr's affiliate program, a fantastic way to earn money by promoting one of the leading freelance markets on the internet. If you're someone who's interested in making money online and has a passion for connecting freelancers and clients, then this tutorial is for you. Fiverr's affiliate program provides you with a unique chance to earn commissions by referring people to the platform. Whether you're a content creator, blogger, social media influencer, or someone with an engaged online community, this program allows you to monetize your efforts and generate income by promoting Fiverr's services. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the ins and outs of Fiverr's affiliate program. I'll explain how it works, how to sign up, and you'll discover the various promotional tools and resources at your disposal. Taking a quick look at the commission plan, we can see there's a few different ways to make money. The main ones being Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. With Fiverr CPA, you can earn a dynamic commission ranging from $15 to $150 per first-time buyer. The commission amount varies based on the specific service chosen by the buyer. On the other hand, Fiverr Hybrid provides a fixed commission of $10 per first-time purchase, along with an additional 10% revenue share for 12 months. This means you receive a set amount for each new buyer and continue earning a percentage of their total spending on Fiverr for a year. Both commission structures offer unique opportunities for affiliates to earn money by promoting Fiverr's services. Depending on your marketing strategies and audience, you can choose the structure that aligns best with your goals and preferences. In addition to the previously mentioned commission structures, Fiverr offers a few more options for earning money through their affiliate program. Fiverr Business. Under this commission structure, once the account referred by you reaches $100 in spending, you earn a fixed commission of $100. Additionally, you continue to receive a 10% revenue share of their spending on Fiverr for a duration of 12 months. Fiverr Affiliates. With this commission structure, you earn a lifetime commission of 10% on every referred affiliate's earnings. This means that for every affiliate you refer to Fiverr who earns money through their own promotions, you receive a percentage of their earnings for as long as they remain active on the platform. And then Fiverr Learn. If you refer customers to Fiverr's courses, you can earn a commission of 30% on every course order made by those referrals. This is a great opportunity to monetize your audience's interest in learning and skill development. If all of this sounds good and you're ready to start earning with Fiverr, head over to affiliates.fiverr.com and click Start Earning Now. You'll then need to sign up. You'll need to enter your first name, last name, and an email address, and then create a username and password. You'll then have to choose your account type between either private or company, and then answer the question, do you have a main source of traffic? If you say yes, you're going to have to enter the URL of your main source of traffic, and you can enter a secondary URL. You'll then need to add your country, your language, and then you can also add a Skype account if you want to. Now it says, tell us a bit more about yourself. How do you plan to promote Fiverr's services? And you've got quite a few options here, from paid search, social media, blogs, offline. Just click whatever is relevant to you. You can select as many as you want, but you can also click I don't have a traffic source if you're just getting started. And then it asks you what are your audience's key interests. Again, quite a few options to choose from. And when you're done selecting all the relevance, you need to agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy and click register now. So that's it, you're all signed up. You're going to need to click start doing. Then log in with the username and password that you created, and it's going to bring you to your dashboard. There's a few things here that you need to agree to, like the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, and then just click next. And here's your dashboard. And you can see here you've got some analytics to look at, but in order to have any analytics to look at, we need to start making some money. So let's head over to the marketing tools from the sidebar on the left, then go to default and deep links. You can see you've got a few different links here, and these are the affiliate links that you can share to start making money. You've got your Fiverr CPA, Fiverr Hybrid, Fiverr Learn, Fiverr Business, and Fiverr Sub-Affiliates. Those are the different commission plans that we went over earlier. And you can go ahead and start sharing these links immediately with your audience to start gaining commissions. You can copy any of these links and include them in marketing emails or social media posts. If your audience clicks on any of these links, it will take them straight to the Fiverr homepage, and then when they make a purchase, you'll earn a commission. But let's say you've found a specific page that you want to promote to them. So let's go ahead and find a page that we'd like to share with our audience. So let's say I want to share this page. I'm going to copy the URL from the address bar at the top, go back to my dashboard, and in the top right hand corner, click LP URL, and you get a little pop-up with an empty box. If we paste the URL that we've just copied and hit enter, you can see all of the links on the page have changed. So you can now copy these links and share them with your audience, and it will send them to that specific page. So that's your basic links covered. But the Fiverr affiliate program also offers other marketing tools in the form of pictures and banners that you can integrate into your website. So if we go to the sidebar on the left, go to Marketing Tools, and then in the drop-down menu, go to All Marketing Tools. At the top here, we can filter our options. We can filter by brand. So you've got Fiverr CPA, Hybrid, Learn, and Business. So let's just check out Fiverr CPA. You can filter by type. So you've got JPEG, GIF, ebook, video, or HTML mailer. But let's just grab a JPEG for now. And then you can also select the language and then filter by creative name. You've got a bunch of categories, but let's just try email marketing. And then you can also change the size of the image, which is great for being able to add them to sidebars on your website and things like that. But let's just leave that blank for now and click Show Creatives. And you can see here it's come up with a few different options. On the left, you can see the image of what the banner or picture looks like. On the right-hand side, you can see it's got a clickable URL, but it's also got a HTML code. So if you click that, it's going to bring you to a pop-up, and you can copy the code, download the code, and download the image. And you can go ahead and pop that on your website, and whenever somebody clicks on it and makes a purchase, you will gain a commission. And that's a wrap on our tutorial for Fiverr's affiliate program. I hope you found this useful. Now it's time for you to take action, start promoting their services, and unlock your potential to earn money online.